How to delete your TikTok account permanently. Deleting your TikTok account is actually pretty easy. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to permanently delete your TikTok account on both Android and iPhone. First, open the TikTok app. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner of your profile. Now, select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Next, scroll down and tap Account. Inside the Account section, tap Deactivate or Delete Account at the bottom. From there, choose Delete Account Permanently. Now choose a reason why you are leaving the app, then tap Continue. Tap the circle at the bottom to download your TikTok data, and tap Continue. TikTok will now ask you to confirm your request. Read through the message and tap Continue. TikTok will now send a code to the email associated with your TikTok account. Copy the code and paste it in the provided field, then tap Delete Account. Once confirmed, your TikTok account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Your TikTok account is now gone for good. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick tech guides just like this.